Hey y'all, this is the masculine faith journal that I completed using Sunflowers and Dors Colors of Autumn digital kit. This is a DT project. I added some fabric and a strip of fabric to the spine, a little paper clip. I just used some twine to close the journal. Here you can see the back. And this just unties and comes completely off. I chose to use the pages with the churches on them for the cover. And when I open it, there's a pocket. And I put a little postcard and an envelope that I made in here. This turns where the envelope can open. And I have lots of videos showing how I made all these things for this journal. A double pocket on this side, and I added some tags from the kit, backed with various papers. I did go ahead and put some fabric and fibers throughout the journal that I did not do a video on. This is backed with some scrap paper. Another side pocket here. These are little notepads that I made that flip out. And then I tucked a printed set of library cards in here that I just folded up to make a writing spot. Now this page does not come with the kit. And then I chose just to slide these little notebooks in. I made a fabric flip here, and it's doubled, so there's one on each side. And then here a pocket from the kit and a couple of tags from the kit. Now all the printed pages that you see, all the pumpkin pages, are from the kit. I used a postcard here to make a pocket and another piece from the kit to decorate this little flip up notepad. This gorgeous page in the center. I made this corner pocket, added another notepad in here, and a couple of more tags from the kit. Another double pocket on this side, stuffed with more tags. Another pretty page from the kit there on the right. I cut down some pages to make some journaling cards. Backed them with a page from the kit, and both of these cards fit inside of the envelope that I made. And I just clipped them on with some orange paper clips. Another side pocket here with a mini tag from the kit. And then this is a page from the kit that I printed, and I inked it up and folded it up because I absolutely love this page, and the whole back you're able to write on. Here's another pocket that comes with the kit and another flip out notepad. This one I used some words from the kit on, and then I stuffed two tags in here that are not included in the kit and backed them with some scrap paper. And this is the back of the journal. And in here I have another tag from the kit and a file folder that comes with the kit. And I just cut it out, inked it up, and put it in here for a writing spot. Now I'll also show how I make this cover, which is made out of part of an envelope, on another video. And then here's the back. Thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate it. The information for this kit will be linked below if you're on YouTube, and in the comments if you are on watching this on TikTok. Have a good evening, y'all.